Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to make a drop-down list in Google Docs. I show you guys how to do that. You just need to select the Insert tab and select drop-down and select new drop-down, and then you can name the drop-down name of the option. For example, I'm gonna add favorite color. After typing it, now you can customize the option, assigning a different color if you choose to do so. For example, red and yellow, in here green and blue. After doing it, you can also drag these colors to change this selection, and after that select save for save changes. Now you can click on this drop down and change it and select the color you want it, and after that you can also open it by click on insert and select the drop down and select this favorite color and select the drop downs option. And that's all you have to do it, guys. That's it for today's video, guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.